guys, welcome to another video. Before this video starts, I want to thank everybody for helping me hit 2,500 subscribers on YouTube. We are slowly growing and I can't believe I'm even beyond 1,000 subscribers. It's crazy. Around this time, actually, last year, I was just about to hit 1,000 subs, so it's crazy to say that I've been doing YouTube for 4 years now, going on 5. You could definitely say that is slow growth, but I am not complaining. I am so happy because I really, truly believe I have such an amazing family on YouTube. All of you guys, everyone who supports my videos, and even though the GTI, as you guys know, is going away, I can't tell you the amount of support that I'm getting. Even though it's very hard. It's hard for me especially, obviously, but for you guys too. You guys really like seeing GTI content, and it's definitely a hard thing to deal with. It's definitely some crazy change for the channel, because again, 4 years doing GTI videos, and it's all gonna change. So the videos won't go anywhere, and the memories certainly won't go anywhere. But it's and hopefully you guys are really excited with the next car, because I am keeping you guys completely in mind when it comes to this next build. I want to get something that's relevant for the channel. I don't want to get something that necessarily, my dream car, right? And I've talked about this in a previous video. My dream car would definitely be an Audi RS5, like a 2013, 14 to 15 RS5. I think maybe even 16 before the V6. I like the V6. I'm not saying it's a bad engine. I'm just saying the V8 sounds really good. One of the reasons why I'm really looking forward to moving on to another vehicle, aside from the all-wheel drive aspect, is I'm going to have something completely stock. Obviously, I'm going to prioritize that when I'm buying a car, but having a completely stock vehicle will allow me to start from the ground up and seek out potential sponsorships, and that's something that I've always really aspired to as a business student. I'm a business student at the University of New Hampshire. I'm a marketing student in particular, and I don't know, I've just always really liked business, and I've really, after watching a lot of YouTube in my time, I think I spend way more time watching YouTube than making YouTube videos, that's for sure. And there's a lot of channels that I watch, and with some younger YouTubers, and I've kind of definitely aspired to be some of them and kind of follow their footsteps. And there's definitely some channels that speak to me. I think there's I think it's Speed Phenom. He has a GT500 that he just got, and he's a big Ford Shelby guy, and as am I. I'm a huge Ford Shelby person. That's a fun fact. And I don't know, I'd love to be in that situation where, maybe I'm not profiting as maybe I'm not putting much in the bank, but I'm also, the money that I'm making can go towards the channel. In my opinion, I don't really look at YouTube, and especially within the next 3 to 4 years, I don't look at YouTube as a way to profit for me and just my personal being. I look at YouTube as a way to keep growing and keep reinvesting the money. So in a way, and I don't make much right now where I stand, I don't make much money at all. So and that's totally fine for me. You guys are still seeing videos every single week, sometimes a couple videos each week, and that's just because I really love doing YouTube. And that's one of the things that will inspire this new build, is I just really like making videos, and having a new build will kind of not reset my channel, but I already have a really awesome following, and all of you guys who watch my videos, I love all the support. So it's almost like I am restarting YouTube, but at the same time, I'm just moving, this set audience of people to this new build. And I really think you guys are gonna like it. I really do. I really want to kind of prioritize the fact that I am still a GTI channel, even when I don't have my GTI, but in the regard where, I sell the GTI, but this option could be an option for you when you're looking to upgrade your car. So again, I don't want to leave the GTI realm, and especially, sometime in the future when I have the money to own a GTI again, I'm gonna definitely buy another GTI, and I'm definitely considering a Mark 8 GTI. We'll see how the YouTube is doing, but I would lease one. I would definitely get my hands, if I could get my hands on a new Mark 8 GTI, I'd be the happiest camper ever. I would want a Mark 8 GTI just a little bit more than the Mark 8R. For some reason, GTIs just do it for me. I don't know what, but it's just, they're such great cars. And I do want a Mark 8 GTI. That is something that you guys should know. I'm not getting a Mark 8 GTI for the next car. That's not going to be replacing this. It's just not in the time frame. I will have a car within the next couple weeks, or at most month. So that's something to know. Basically, to sum everything up, the reason why I'm selling the GTI is to help reinvest the money into the channel so I can keep making content and engaging content. I want to make relevant, engaging content for you guys. And you know, to some of you guys that may be keeping the GTI, but in my opinion and in my mind, in the way I view everything, it won't be possible to, you know, keep building, and I just don't want to keep putting more money into the car, because even though I love the car, it's I am ready for something else, and like I said, I really want all-wheel drive. So with that said, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a comment, a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. It really helps me out. Also, I want to touch on, the car is still for sale. So if you guys are interested in the car is for sale. It is, just DM me on Instagram and we'll talk pricing and stuff. But it pretty much comes with everything that you guys will see, aside from the APR intake and the inlet pipe. I'd have to find something to do with those. I'm probably gonna part those things out, or just obviously sell them. I actually don't even have them in the car now. Funny enough, I didn't even make a video about it because it was just hard for me. But anyway, thank you guys so much for supporting me. Thank you for supporting the channel. I hope you guys understand. This is definitely a big change for the channel, but I'm hoping it's a positive one. So with that said, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.